Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Are you struggling to pair your RCA TV with a universal remote? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the easiest way to find and program the RCA TV code for your universal remote. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather your tools. First, make sure you have your RCA TV, the universal remote, and its user manual handy. Don't worry if you don't have the manual, I'll guide you through everything. Step: turn on your RCA TV. Next, turn on your RCA TV. This step is crucial because your remote needs to connect with the TV while it's on. Step: locate the remote code. Universal remotes often require a specific code to pair with your TV. For RCA TVs, these codes are typically a or digit number. Check the remote's user manual or visit the manufacturer's website to find the RCA TV codes. Here are some commonly used codes for RCA TVs. And step: programming the remote. Now, let's program the remote. Follow these simple steps. Press and hold the TV button on your universal remote until the indicator light stays on. Enter one of the RCA codes using the number pad. Release the TV button and check if the light blinks. If the light blinks twice, the code is accepted. If it doesn't, try another code from the list. Step: test the remote. Once the code is entered, test the remote by pressing the power, volume, or channel buttons. If the TV responds, congratulations! Your remote is successfully programmed. If not, don't worry. Just repeat the process with a different code. Conclusion. And that's it. Now you know how to find and program the RCA TV code for your universal remote. I hope this guide helped you. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.